What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling program. As we can see, the market tanked down a decent amount this week. There was a good amount of selling pressure across the entire board, and especially from big tech stocks like Apple, Tesla, and many more. So yeah, there was a lot of selling pressure, but let's get right into this week's recap of the plays. So starting off with the swing plays, there weren't too many updates besides there was like a shop play, but this was essentially just a break even / slight profit. It was like in and out within like a day or two, so very quick trade, nothing too crazy in that sense. As new and great opportunities present themselves, we will definitely strike on them, but over the past couple weeks there haven't been any like grade A new swing setups, so like I said, as they come out we will definitely alert them. Looking at the bot plays for the week, it was a decent week. Monday's play was a dud with Tilray. Tuesday's play worked really good with Amazon. That popped for 37.8%. Wednesday's play was a complete dud with GLD. That one did not work at all. Thursday's play with Netflix popped for a decent amount. It was a little bit tricky to trade as it was towards the end of the day, and it was more of like a like dip buy style of trade, but it did end up popping for like 23%, which was good. And then the Google play was very similar to Netflix. Google did pop around 20.4%, which was good to see. So all around, it was a decent week. Nothing crazy. We had two dud plays on Monday and Wednesday, but then Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday ended up doing just fine. So that was great to see. Getting into the theta plays for the week. If you do not sell or write put options, I very strongly recommend it. I've been saying this for forever now. Selling put options is the best strategy out there. You literally get paid to buy stocks. It's very hard to beat a strategy like that as long as you're implementing the strategy correctly, in the sense of you're willing to own the stock if you do get assigned. The stock is a good, actually a good investment, and that the stock is at a good valuation. If you have like those features and you sell put options, it is hard to lose over long periods of time. And even if you do get assigned, you can always roll out, or if you get in a position where it's likely you will be assigned, you can always roll out the put for a further expiration date that's further down the chain as well. And you can also sell call options and turn the whole strategy into a wheel system. So selling put options is the best strategy out there. Feel free to ask any questions in SM chat to Tom, Hunter, or myself, and we can definitely help you out. You can also find a bunch of signals for this in the premium selling channel. Besides that, though, the market had a pretty wild week. December does tend to be a pretty good month for the market, but we are rejecting pretty hard off of this top line resistance, and the market has recovered quite a bit over the past couple of weeks or so. So it should be an interesting end to the year. Besides that, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great weekend.